Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 types of stir fry meats. The first one is going to be liver stir fry, chicken stir fry, and lastly lamb meat stir fry. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. Our first recipe is going to be beef liver stir fry. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of beef masala, 3 tablespoons of tomato pure, a half a kg of liver which I've removed the outer skin and I've already cleaned it, 1 sliced carrots, 1 large onion, a half a lime, and you'll also need different types of bell peppers. On a medium large pot, start by pouring some oil. Let the oil heat up and add 1 sliced onion and cook the onion till golden brown. Once the onions start turning color, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and give a quick mix, followed by carrots and bell peppers, and continue stirring, then cover to let them cook till soft. Once the carrots and the bell pepper are becoming soft, open the lid and add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix everything well. I'm going to add a bit of water into the tin to remove any tomato left out. Then pour and continue stirring. Then afterwards, I'm going to squeeze a half a lime. I usually like to add some bitterness into my stew, but if you don't like, it's not a must. But make sure you squeeze a lime before adding the liver. Once your stew is thick, you're going to add the liver, then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of beef masala, a half a teaspoon of curry powder, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix everything well and let the liver to cook on a medium heat. Then sprinkle a bit of salt and mix the liver very well and cover to let the liver to continue cook on a medium heat. If you want to have more stew into your liver, you can pour a 1/4 cup of water aside. Do not pour directly or the liver tends to become so hard. Make sure you don't overcook the liver because it tends to lose the taste of the liver. And after 5 minutes, your liver stew is ready, as you can see in the video, and serve on a plate or a bowl and enjoy your liver stew. And my tasty liver stew is ready, as you can see in the video. You can eat along with bread, rice, chapati, or anything that you like and enjoy your liver stew. Our second recipe is going to be chicken stir fry. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, a half a jumbo or Maggi cube, a half a piece of lime, 1 large sliced onion, different types of bell pepper cut into pieces, 1 carrot cut into long strips, garam masala 1 teaspoon, curry powder 1 teaspoon, a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to use a half a kg of chicken wings, or you can use any part of the chicken, 1 teaspoon of Royco powder, salt to taste, and lastly 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. So the first step, make sure you have cleaned your chicken very well. Then slightly cut the chicken so that the spices can blend in well and the chicken can cook well. Once you're done cutting the chicken, you're going to add the spices, which are 1 teaspoon of garam masala, sprinkle a bit of salt to taste, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and squeeze a half a lime and mix everything well. Once you're done, you're going to deep fry the chicken. Make sure the oil is hot before putting the chicken in. Once the oil is hot, deep fry the chicken till the chicken is well cooked. Let the chicken to cook on both sides on a medium-low heat till the chicken is well cooked. Once your chicken has this amazing color and nicely cooked, then your chicken is ready, and remove it from the oil and place on a plate. Then afterwards, we are going to make our chicken stew. On a medium pot, start by pouring 3 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up before putting anything. Once the oil is hot, add the onions and cook the onions till golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and give a quick mix. Then add the carrots and the bell pepper and continue stirring, then cover to let them cook till soft. Once you get to see the bell peppers and the carrots are starting to become soft, give a quick mix and add the fried chicken and continue stirring, then cover to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to add some spices, which is Royco 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a half a piece of jumbo or Maggi cube to add an extra amazing taste to the stew. Then lastly, sprinkle a bit of salt to taste. Then give a quick mix and cover to continue to cook. Once the chicken and the spices are well combined, you're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. Then lastly, squeeze the remaining half a lime and mix everything well. Then I'm going to add a bit of water into the tin to remove any left tomato from the tin. Then pour in the chicken and let the chicken to continue cook. If you would like to have more stew, you can add half a cup of water, then stir and cover to let the stew to cook till thick. Once your stew is thick like this and the chicken is well cooked, then your chicken stew is ready. Remove it from the fire and serve on a plate. And my tasty chicken stew is ready. As you can see in the video, you can eat along with rice, chapati, bread or anything that you like and enjoy your chicken stew. And our last recipe is going to be lamb meat stir fry. On today's ingredients, you'll need mixed bell peppers. As you can see in the video, I've cut them into long strips, 2 large sliced onions, a half a lime, 1 carrot which I've cut it into long strip, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of beef masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a half a teaspoon of salt, jumbo or Maggi cube optional, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, some water which you're going to use to boil the meat, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and lastly you will need 1 kg of meat. Place the meat on a medium fire, then start by adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, and some water. Then cover to let the meat cook on a medium heat. Let the meat to boil until soft. Once your meat is soft and you have less soup, then your meat is ready and remove it from the fire and place aside. Then we are going to fry our meat. On a medium pot, start by adding some oil. Let the oil heat up and add some onions and cook the onions till they start turning color. Once the onions start turning color, you will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and stir. Followed by carrots and bell peppers, and give a quick mix and let them to cook till soft. Once the carrots and the bell peppers are soft, then you're going to add the boiled meat and give a quick mix and let the meat to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're going to add the following spices, which is black pepper, beef masala, garam masala and a bit of salt, and mix the meat very well. Then followed by a half a piece of jumbo or Maggi cube to add an extra amazing taste to the meat and continue stirring. Once the spices are well mixed with the meat, you will add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix it very well. Then add the remaining meat soup and mix it very well to make sure that the meat and the vegetables are completely soft. Lastly, we're going to squeeze a half a lime to add an extra amazing taste to the meat and give a quick mix and let the meat to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes, our meat is ready and serve on a bowl. And our fried meat stew is ready. As you can see in the video, this is so delicious. You can eat along with chapati, ugali, rice or bread and enjoy your meat. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.